Hello. Here is how to use your monthly budget template. Go to the Monthly Budget tab. Charts and visualization will update automatically when you update the inputs. Start from the Income section. In the Income Name section, write down your different incomes, and in the Budget column, write down how much you expect to receive. Follow the same process for the Bills, Debt, Expenses, and Savings sections. In the Income section, you can also manually fill up the Actual column. Scroll down to the Transaction Tracker and write down all your other transactions for the months. Start from the date, the amount, and the transaction name. For this, you will have to use names as you used them before while budgeting. You also have a column to write down your notes. If you scroll up, everything is now updated. You can track your monthly cash flow and compare all your actuals with your budget amounts.